Hello guys, welcome to our 2-minute information series. In today's video, we will see food items that you can add with your home food items to get extraordinary results. Let's see their nutrition value. Peanuts. In 100 gram of peanuts, we get 567 calories and 26 gram of protein, 49 gram of fat as well, and 60 gram of carbohydrates. On number 2, almonds. In only one almond, we get 7 calories, 0.26 gram of protein, 0.61 gram of fat, and 0.24 gram of carbohydrate. On number 3, chana or chickpea. In 100 gram of chickpea, we get 364 calories, 19 gram of protein, 6 gram of fat, and 61 gram of carbohydrate. Number 4, apple. In 100 gram of apple, 52 calories, 0.3 gram of protein, 0.2 gram of fat, and 14 gram of carbohydrates. On number 5, banana. One banana. Considering weight of one banana is 100 gram. Calories 98, 1.1 gram of protein, fat 0.3 grams, and carbohydrate 23 grams. Number 6, chicken. In 100 gram of chickens, we get 239 calories, 27 gram of protein, 14 gram of fat, and 0 gram of carbohydrates. Number 7, egg white. In one egg white, calories 17, protein 3.6 gram, fat 0.1 gram, carbohydrate 0.2 grams. Number 8, whole egg. In one whole egg, calories 77, protein 6.3 grams, fat 5.3 grams, and carbs 0.6 gram only. Number 9, fish. In 100 gram of fish, 206 calories, 22 gram of protein, 12 gram of fat, and 0 gram of carbohydrate. Number 10, Mosmi juice. In 200 ml of Mosmi juice, 130 calories, 7 gram of protein, 0 gram of fat, and 23 gram of carbohydrate. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel for more informative videos like this. Have a nice day.